Good morning, students. Today I am going to revise you chapter 6 lines and angles. First topic, complementary angles. The pair of angles whose sum is 90 degree. Pair means two angles whose sum is 90 degree is called complementary angles. Question type. Question 1. Write the complement of 45 degree. Solution: complement of 45 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 45 degree, that is 45 degree. Second part, 10 degree. Solution: complement of 10 degree, 90 minus 10 degree, 80 degree. So complementary angle means pair of angle whose sum is 90 degree. Now supplementary angles. The pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree. Second question, write the supplement of 80 degree. Supplement of 80 degree, 180 degree minus 80 degree, that is 100 degree. Second part, 125 degree. Supplement of 125 degree, 180 minus 125 degree, that is 55 degree. It means supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. Linear pair of angles. The pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree or forms a line. The pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree or forms a line. Forms a line. So this is linear pair P O Q and POR. POQ and POR. It forms linear pair of angles. Angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 plus 2 equals to 180 degree. Angle POQ and POR are adjacent angles and they form a line QR and their sum is 180 degree. So angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair of angles. The pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree or forms a line is called linear pair of angles. Now question third. Find the measure of x and then each angle. So it is clear that this is a line and there are two angles. It means these two angles are linear pair of angles. So students, initially we draw the figure as per question. Now we name it. This is A point, this is O point, this is B point, and this that is C point. It is required to name the figure because when we solve, then we write on line BC. On line BC. Ray OA stands. Ray OA stands. I repeat again. On line BC, ray OA stands. So x plus 20 plus x equals to 180 degree. Linear pair of angles. X plus x, 2x plus 20 equals to 180 degree. So 2x equals to 180 minus 20. We transpose 20 to RHS. 2x equals to 160 degree. So x equals to 160 by 2, that is 80 degree. It means our angle AOB is equals to 80 degree. And AOC is equals to x plus 20. It means 80 plus 20, that is 100 degree. Now we easily check 100 plus 80, 180 degree. It means it forms a line. So they are linear pair of angles. Vertically opposite angles. AB and CD are two intersecting lines. They intersect each other at O. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Vertically opposite angle 2 equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angle. Line AB and line CD intersect at O. Then angle 1 equals to angle 3. Angle 2 equals to angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Question 4. Find the measure of x. Here we observe that AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD intersect at O. Then x equals to 57 degree, vertically opposite angle. Question 5th. The measure of one angle is given, 90 degree is given. Find other angles. It means we have to find x, y and z. Again, AB and CD intersect at O. Therefore, x equals to 90 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Online DC, ray OA stands. Online DC ray OA stands. So y plus 93 equals to 180 degree. Linear pair of angles. Y equals to 180 minus 93 degree. So y equals to 87 degree. Y equals to 87 degree. So again, y is equal to z or z equals to y. Vertically opposite angle. Therefore, z equals to 87 degree. Vertically opposite angles. So in this manner we find x, y and z by two concepts: vertically opposite angle and linear pair of angles. Note. First note, sum of all angles on a line is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of all angles on a line. So AB is a line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. So sum of all angles made on a line is equals to 180 degree. There are 4 angles, so we don't say linear pair of angles. Second note, sum of all angles made on a point. Made on a point. Here point is O. Here point is O. Here point is O. So sum of all angles is equals to 360 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equals to 360 degree. Now problem question 6. Find x. So we observe that AB is a line and there are 3 angles. So we use note 1, sum of all angles. So AB is a line, therefore 4x plus 8x minus 2 plus x equals to 180 degree. Reason behind this, sum of all angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degree. So 4x plus 8x 12x, 12x plus x 13x minus 2 equals to 180 degree. Minus 2 transpose to RHS. So 13x equals to 180 plus 2. 13x equals to 182 degree. So x equals to 182 by 13. 13 plus 13. 13 4 are 52. So in this manner we got x. But in question, if further angles are asked, then put the value of x. 4 into x, it means 4 into 14, 56 degree. 8 into 4, 32 minus 2, 30 degree. And x is 14 degree. Find each angle. Now students, here we observe that O is the point and there are 4 angles made at a point O. So at point O, x by 2 plus x plus 90 equals to 360 degree. X plus x 2x, we shift 90 to RHS. X plus 4x on taking LCM 2. LCM is 2, so 2 on the 2, x on the x. Here we have 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, 4x. So x plus 4x 5x. 2 shifted to RHS. 270 to 2. Now 5 transpose to RHS in denominator. So 270 cancelled by 5. 54 times 51 into 108. So x is equals to 108 degree. X is equals to 108 degree. Now angles. Suppose this is angle 1. Angle 1 equals to x by 2. 108 by 2, 54 degree. This is angle 2. Angle 2 equals to 108. This is angle 3. 3 is also equals to 108. This is angle 4. Angle 4 equals to 90 degree. So in this manner we got each angle. Now student, today's homework. Question first. Write the complement of first 54 degree, second 79 degree. Second, write the supplement of first 138 degree, second 21 degree. Third, find the measure of x and then each angle. First of all, you find x and then each angle. A part. Here 31 degrees, one angle is given. First of all, find x, then find each angle. Here we have 2x plus 6, 2x plus 6 plus x plus x. So it forms linear pair. So by linear pair concept we find x and then find angle. Here we find, again we use the concept sum of angles made on a point. Sum of angles is equal to 60 degree. First of all find x and then find each angle. Revise you parallel lines and angles formed by transversal. Parallel lines AB and CD are parallel lines and PQ is transversal. Parallel line means two or more lines that do not intersect each other and distance between them are same. Then these lines are called parallel lines. Transversal, a line that intersect these two parallel lines at distinct point x and y is called transversal. Now, AB parallel CD and PQ is transversal. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8 are given angles. First of all, interior angles. Interior means the angles that made inside these lines. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Exterior angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 equals to angle 3, vertically opposite. Angle 2 equals to angle 4. Angle 5 equals to angle 7. Angle 6 equals to angle 8. Vertically opposite angles. Corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5. These are two parallel lines and this is transversal. So angle 1 form between transversal and line. Angle 5 also form between transversal and line. But this line is angry and that line is same. So angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. So these are corresponding angles. Alternate interior angles. Angle 3 equals to angle 5. Here we observe the Z is formed. Z is formed. Angle 3 equals to angle 5. And angle 4 equals to angle 6. Angle 4 equals to angle 6. But alternate interior angle. Now alternate exterior angles. Angle 2 equals to angle 8 and angle 1 equals to angle 7. If you shift this line above this line, above AB, then you observe that angle 2 and angle 7 are alternate angles, angle 1 and angle 8 are alternate angles. So angle 1 equals to angle 7 and angle 2 equals to angle 8 are alternate exterior angles. Co-interior angles or corresponding interior angles. Sorry, consecutive interior angles. Co-interior angles means consecutive interior angles. Consecutive means one after the consecutive interior angles. So angle 4 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 6 equals to 180 degree. It means sum of two interior angles on the same side of transversal. Sum of two interior angles on the same side of transversal is equals to 180 degree. So angle 4 plus angle 5 180 degree, angle 3 plus angle 6 180 degree. Question 1, L parallel M and N is transversal. If angle 1 equals to 71 degree, then find other. Here L is parallel to M and N is transversal. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Angle 1 equals to 71 degree and we have to find other angles. So first of all, angle 3 equals to angle 1 equals to 71 degree. Reason behind this, vertically opposite angle. Now L parallel M and N is transversal. So 1 equals to angle 5 corresponding angle. Angle 5 equals to angle 1 equals to 71 degree corresponding angle. Now angle 7 equals to angle 5 vertically opposite. So angle 7 is equals to also 71 degree. Now on line L, angle 1 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. Linear pair of angles. Put the value of angle 1. 71 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. Angle 4 equals to 180 minus 71. Angle 4 equals to 109 degree. So after getting angle 4, we got angle 2. Angle 2 equals to angle 4 vertically opposite angle. So angle 2 is also equals to 109 degree. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. So angle 6 is also equals to 109 degree. Angle 8 and angle 6 vertically opposite angles. So angle 8 is also equals to 109 degree. So in this manner we get each angle for the given problem. Question 2. Find x if L parallel M and N is transversal. Here in figure L and M are parallel lines and N is transversal. We have given 4x degree and x degree and we have to find x. So let me suppose this is angle 1. This is angle 1. So it is clear angle 1 is equal to 4x, vertically opposite angle. Now angle 1 plus x equals to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles means consecutive interior angles. It means sum of angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. Now 4x plus x, put the value of angle 1. 4x plus x equals to 180 degree. 5x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180.5. So x equals to 36 degree. In this manner we got x. Now student, today's homework. If angle 1 is equal to 59 degree, if angle 1 is equal to 59 degree, then find all other angles. Angle 1 is given and you have to find all other angles. Find x. L parallel M and N is transversal. This is x. Angle 1, angle 2. Then you have to find angle x. Question second. L parallel M, N is transversal. You have to find x. You have to find x. In question second A part. Angle 1, angle 2 and x is given. Angle 1, angle 2 and x is given. And it is given 3x plus 4. It is given 3x plus 4 degree. Okay. Now student, we will do today's revision in maths copy, then upload the image when your class teacher send you the link of maths. Thank you students. Have a nice day.